In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your LinkedIn profile in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're networking, job hunting, or simply looking to expand your professional circle, sharing your LinkedIn profile is a fundamental step to opening up new opportunities. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the LinkedIn website. Here you can simply log in using the sign in with Google option or continue with your LinkedIn account if you've already set one up. Occasionally, for an added layer of security, LinkedIn might ask you to solve a CAPTCHA. This is a pretty standard procedure to ensure you're a real person and not a robot attempting to access the site. Once you're successfully logged in, the next step is to access your LinkedIn profile. You can easily do this by locating and clicking on your profile photo, usually found at the top of the home page. Upon clicking, a drop-down menu will appear. Here you want to select View Profile to proceed to your personal LinkedIn page. Now you're ready to share your profile, but with LinkedIn, sharing your profile isn't as straightforward as copying the URL from your browser. Instead, LinkedIn offers a more integrated approach. To begin this process, look for the Resources button on your profile page. It's positioned to ensure easy navigation and a user-friendly experience. After clicking Resources, a menu with several options will unfold, but the one you're interested in is Send Profile in a Message. This option does exactly what it says. It allows you to share your complete LinkedIn profile directly in a message to another LinkedIn user. It's an incredibly efficient way to connect with professionals within or outside your network directly. By choosing Send Profile in a Message, LinkedIn will guide you through a simple process to select who you want to send your profile to. You can share it with connections, potential employers, or new contacts you're hoping to network with. The platform also provides a space for you to add a personalized message, which is highly recommended to add context to your connection request or profile share. This personal touch can be the difference between a new connection and a missed opportunity. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to sharing your LinkedIn profile. Remember, your LinkedIn profile is a powerful tool in the professional world, acting as your digital resume and a platform to showcase your achievements, experiences, and professional interests. Sharing your profile can lead to job opportunities, partnerships, or even mentorship opportunities, so don't underestimate the power of a well-maintained LinkedIn profile. I hope this guide has been helpful. Remember, the key to maximizing your LinkedIn presence is not just in creating a compelling profile, but also in actively sharing your profile and engaging with others. So go ahead, share your profile, and open the door to new professional opportunities today.